Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia Z3 Compact, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then in the settings we have to scroll until we will find this personal section. Right here we can tap on language and input and tap on language. And as you can see, this is the list of all available languages from which we can choose. So basically find yours and then tap on it. So let me pick maybe this one, tap on accept. And as you can see, everything will be displayed in the chosen language. Let me change it to the English again. Okay, for example, this one, confirm it with OK, and as you can see, it will be immediately applied. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.